Hi everyone, expecting you all to be good. So today here in this video I'm gonna tell you how you can solve your noisy trackpad issue. So as you can hear it's creating a very annoying sound here whenever I click on this trackpad. So to solve this problem, what you have to do is go to the system preferences, then search for trackpad. Then what you have to do is in this click you have to bring it to light. Now hear it. Now as you can see, the problem is solved. It's not creating the annoying sound which was creating before. So if you found this video helpful for you, then be sure to subscribe my channel and please like this video.